All right, family, welcome again to this very particular segment. We're going to be talking about is known as Chat-2-Cars. I love this Chat-2-Cars literally, and I'm praying that all of you who you have your cars or your bike, as long as it is registered in the government database, whether it is here in Nigeria or in South Africa or Rwanda or in Kenya where everyone has its presence, or maybe your country, as long as your plate number that you're using with your locomotives, they literally have been registered with the government database, we can find you. So now on Chat-2-Cars, which is number 10, if you look at it here, it will tell you first and foremost to read for you to understand the T's and C's that applies on the Chat-2-Cars. So if you notice 6 menus that is here, number 1, it says contact vehicle owners. Number 2, it means registered my vehicle. Number 3, report a vehicle. Number 4, emergency assistance. And number 5, how it works. And number 6, back to the main menu again. Now let's look at contact vehicle owners. Now let's say you have registered your vehicle. First and foremost, the moment you registered your account and you have a car, please come to register my vehicle and register your vehicle yourself. It will ask you all of the questions for your vehicle to be registered on the system. And hear me, all that we need is to make sure that your plate number can communicate with another car plate number. So which means you either use somebody's UID to communicate with them or you use their plate number to communicate, literally. Sometimes I want to talk to some of my guys outside of the country because they've already registered. I just go there, type on, put their plate number, and we start chatting. And sometimes they look at me like, D, you have my number. What's going on? Why are you using it? I'm like, I just like this one. It's quite safe, secured. But hear me, it's 100% safe, 100% secured. So now, on contact vehicle, now this is what happened. I like giving an example. Let's say you park your car here, and this very particular person comes and parks. You know how, well, Nigeria, they do it all the time. Country I come from, you guys you are straight here. It's a lie. So let's say the person comes and park their car and you can't come out. All you need to do is to step out of your car, copy their plate number, go to your Chat-2-Cars, hopefully that they have registered, and literally go to your Chat-2-Cars, put that plate number information, and it will now tell you what you want. Gives the option. Do you want to report an accident? Do you want to report wrongfully parking, wrong driving, whatever? Then you click it. Immediately, in less than 1 second, the person, whoever, as long as he has his own AfriOne Life, they'll get a message and they'll come down and remove their car, and that's it. Hopefully it's a lady and you're a single guy. You know what that means, just saying. But if not so, literally, if the person is not registered, I know that you ask the question, okay, what if the car is not registered? It will automatically, from the government database, because it knows the number of that very particular car, it would automatically send a message to the person that this is AfriOne Life user calling you to come and remove your car. That's how life can be easy, literally, when you have AfriOne Life as part of your easy go system. So you can register your car. If your car is not registered, you come to this very particular place, register your car, and you're good to go. You can even report a vehicle. Let me click report a vehicle and let's see. If you see on report a vehicle, it says report dangerous driving, stolen vehicle, abandoned vehicle, traffic obstructions, hit and run, and other safety concerns. By just literally. So which means on this one, you know, I like this one. You can literally snap a car or probably do a video and upload it here and report to say, okay, this is a suspected stolen vehicle. And the information, 2 places to go. Number 1, it will come to the AfriOne database system. And number 2, it will go to the nearest police station that AfriOne literally have a partnership with. And boom, we are going to together reduce car theft. As far as Nigeria is concerned, it is possible. But it's only going to be possible if you are on AfriOne Life. Please use the link or the numbers that you're currently seeing on the screen for you to be able to join the AfriOne Life, and I promise you, together we can make Nigeria, make Africa work. The government cannot do the things for us. We can pray and fast, bind the devils, and do all kinds of all nights without deliberate action in coming up with solutions like this. And you join in this kind of solutions, and we together make Nigeria great again, or make your country great again. If not, we will keep complaining till Timbuktu comes back again. Nothing will happen. And that is it on this very particular part when it comes to Chat-2-Cars. We'll be coming back next for the next production.